glasses. Sana kapag napadisal. Ang dami kong binili. Oh my God. What is that?
Cup.
Cup. It's a cup. Oh, for drinking. Yes. You drink coffee. Yes.
What?
To drink coffee. You put water in it.
Cup.
You put water here.
Cup.
Yes.
Cup.
Cup. Hi, Burmy. I love We're going to the pharmacy next. Hi guys, we're here at the hospital kasi na-check up namin si Kuya. Kasi suddenly may mga allergies na lumalabas sa kanya bigla. Early this January. So kailangan ipakita na namin sa doktor. So pina-blood test namin siya para after few days pag ibabas na yung result. Papa-check up namin ulit siya. Follow up niya kay doc. So, I hope hindi siya malala or something. Kasi ngayon lang talaga siya nagkaroon ng allergies. So, nandito kami ngayon sa 2:43 pa. Ngayon, nandito kami sa pharmacy para kunin yung gamot niya. We're here at the mall. Nagutom si Kuya.
It's for holding your crayon. Me too, I don't know.
May bago dito sa Silicon Central. Wow! Bagong store. Parang home center. Oh, ito. Oh, ingin din yung color.
Gusto kasi yung nag-slant.
Yung nag-slant. Katuso, ito nag-gray. Ano yung gray na yun? 260. Sakto. Well. Thought I would see this one. May bago sila. Paparotti. Good evening.
I wonder what Snoopy's last name.
Matcha. Yes.
Tsaka istos lang nalaglas.
Guys, I forgot my glasses. Na kami sa Tita Julie's. Ayan. Saan nakakmak na pandesal. Ang dami kong binili. Oh my God. Sorry na po. Up. Dito talaga, ang daming tao. So many people here, right? Come, come. Oops, careful.
Mahal.
Waya. Ngayon, pagkatapos namin sa Riga, sa kakabili ng pandesal at saka mga kakanin. Ito naman kami sa Algoran.
Totoo, pinakurat lang yung pinuntahan namin dito.
Awa pala, nakalimutan ko. Bumili kami ng pinakurat kasi dito lang may pinakurat.
Yun lang talaga yung...
Yun lang talaga yung sadya. Try namin itong bago nilang food court. Bago to, no? Bago? Oh, bagong food court dito sa Algorain. It's like a... Wow. So ito yung mga resto nila dito. Para makita mo. Sa yung inasal? Ayun, ang inasal. Chandelier. Holland inasal.
Manitay na sa...
Ah,
Ito yung latest na vlog yan.
hasta?
Ino sila...
Grocery ulit. Grocery for this month. Para tapos na. Wala na akong iniisip. Grabe, ang daming tao today. Hindi ko lahat nagpa-prepare for ng Ramadan kasi malapit na ang Ramadan. So, pati na rin ako eh. Marami na rin akong iniisip. Dami kailangan tapusin before mag-Ramadan. So, buti na lang, iniisa-isa ko. Tapos ko yung paglinis sa banyo, sa kitchen. Tapos yung mga ibang gamit, tinaton ko na rin kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit. Especially yung mga napaglumaang damit. And ngayon is grocery. At it's unti-unti natatapos yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Grabe. Ngayong araw na to is 4 yung pinuntahan namin. Pumunta kaming Riga, pumunta kaming Burer, pumunta kaming Dubai Mall, tapos ito yung last stop namin. Siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan. This one. And, it's okay. kami ulit dito kasi follow-up ni Kuya. So, we're just waiting for his doctor. Tawagan siya. Oh, yun yung office ni Aka. Okay.
First floor, no?
Oh, why? First floor. Ay, dito sa ground floor is ano? Ground floor na to, no? Okay. Pinatapos na rin yung ano. Dyan sa physical siguro. Yan. Yeah. Natapos din yung follow-up ni Kuya. Alhamdulillah, okay naman. Hindi naman related sa egg or anything. Siguro nagbigla lang siya sa extreme weather. So, alhamdulillah pa rin. Relieved na ako. Akit muna kami para makita yung second floor dito. Siya pa naman ang next na magpapa-check up. Ano ba rin, sir? Dalawa yung ano,
Hard, so I forced it and it's kind of like,
Go to catch.
yeah. So I ignored it. I thought it's just a,
And does the pain comes down to the legs also?
I'm not sure, but here is more painful.
Any pain, is it in this region?
Yes.
What about here?
That one I feel there when I lift something.
But mainly in this region.
Yeah.
These must have given you a sticker.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just give this at the reception of the radiology.
Okay.
They will do the X-rays.
We're here at the X-ray. So, hinintay lang namin na matapos yung X-ray ni Apa. I hope everything's fine. Bismillah. Okay? Okay. So, X-ray. Tapos na. Umakyat kami dito sa first floor para makita ulit dito kung kumusta yung resulta. Pero sana okay lahat. Sana, inshallah. Pero buti na lang, gi-acknowledge nila na mag-walk-in si hubby kasi sinabay na namin sa follow-up ni Kuya para sa few days na medyo magiging busy na naman siya. So, sinabi ko na magpa-check up na lang para matapos na, para makita natin kung ano yung result.
Then we did your X-ray when you were bending backward and when you were bending forward, right?
Yeah.
So this is to see the stability of the spine. So spine as such is stable for you.
Okay.
Right? It's your muscle which is causing you the issue. There's if you get the approval from your insurance, our physiotherapy team, they will call you, start with the physios, and you should be fine.
Alright, thank you very much.
That's why we created Taste.
Yes, I want emergency
It's a snake.
What is this?
There's Appa's office. So this is where Appa works. Why?
Please select. This is the challenge. There's no coming back.
Check out new glasses.
Insurance market.
It's good, eh?
Zero amount paid by insurance. Bang, 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 bang. Kumusta kayo mga par? Red. Red.
Oh, don't throw it. Oh, you have only one cup now.
Minimum. What I have to tell you. Increase. Enough?
Tunay, how do you feel?
Taruan ni niya la
Really?
karay
Oh, really?
Waya could vibrate.
Stop.
But it's so good.
May kasi ka sa Russell Kaima.
Okay, okay.
Kailan yung